Experiencing charging issues with your HP 2013 UltraSlim Docking Station? This video will guide you through troubleshooting steps. This dock, designed for older HP EliteBook and ProBook laptops, uses a proprietary power input, not modern USB-C power delivery. We'll focus on identifying common problems and practical solutions to get your laptop charging again. The HP 2013 dock uses a barrel-style power connector with fixed 19-volt DC output. This is proprietary charging, no dynamic voltage adjustment like modern USB-C power delivery. Ensure your power adapter matches laptop wattage requirements, such as 90 watts for EliteBook 840G1 models. Avoid using non-HP adapters, as they can cause overvoltage damage. A faulty power supply is a common cause of charging issues. The dock requires a stable power source. Verify the dock's power adapter is providing a stable 19-volt output using a multimeter. This ensures the voltage is correct. Inspect the cable connecting the dock to the power adapter for any damage, bent pins, or corrosion. HP recommends using only OEM cables to avoid impedance mismatches that can cause charging failures. A frayed or damaged cable can significantly reduce power delivery, leading to no charging. Start with the basics. Is the dock powered on? The LED should be lit to indicate it's receiving power. Next, check the connection between the dock and laptop. Ensure it's secure. Try unplugging and reconnecting all connections. A simple loose connection can often be the culprit. Finally, ensure the power outlet is working correctly by testing it with another device. Step 2 focuses on software and firmware issues that can prevent charging. Outdated BIOS or firmware on your laptop can cause charging problems. Always update to the latest version available for your model. Next, check Windows Device Manager to confirm the docking station is properly recognized by your system. HP released a final firmware patch version 1.02 in 2020 that may resolve intermittent charging issues with this dock. To perform a reset, first disconnect all cables from the dock. This includes unplugging the power adapter and removing the laptop connection to ensure a complete power cycle. Next, locate the power button on the dock and press and hold it for exactly 10 seconds. This helps discharge any residual power and reset the internal electronics. Finally, reconnect the power adapter and laptop cables to the dock. Then try charging your laptop to see if the reset has resolved the issue and restored normal charging functionality. For some older laptops, enabling legacy USB support in the BIOS settings might help the dock to be recognized and allow charging. Access your BIOS settings during startup, usually by pressing Del, F2, or F12. Find the USB configuration options in your BIOS and enable legacy USB support to ensure compatibility with older docking stations. The HP 2013 UltraSlim Docking Station is a legacy product with discontinued support since 2020. If troubleshooting steps like cable checks or resets don't resolve charging issues, it's time to consider an upgrade. Modern USB-C power delivery docks now dominate the market, with 85% of new docks supporting fast charging and universal compatibility. These offer reliable power up to 100 watts and work with a wide range of devices. While refurbished HP 2013 docks are available for around $20 to $50, new USB-C docks provide future-proof connectivity. The market is shifting toward wireless options and AI-powered features for even better performance.